Long time ago in Mathura, there was a king named Kans who is infamous for his greed and unfair rules. After the marriage of his sister Devki to Vasudev, a prophetic voice from above announced, Kans, your tyranny is going to come to an end. The eighth son born to Devki and Vasudev will kill you. This enraged Kans and he imprisoned two newlyweds. Kans went on to kill 7 of Devki's children. When she birthed to her eighth child, the prophetic voice turned and said, Take the child across to the river Yamuna to Gokul and exchange him with your friends Nand and Yashoda's newly born daughter. Vasudev looked down to realize his hands had been unchained. He quickly picked up his child and put him in a basket, arriving at the gates to find them open on their own and the guards asleep. As he crossed the stormy river, the basket upon his head, the water never rose above his shoulders. When he struggled, a 10-headed snake appeared to protect the child from pouring rain. Vasudev by now had realized that his child was a divine being. At Nand's house, Vasudev switched the children and returned to the prison. When the Kans arrived, and tried to harm the child, it took the form of goddess Durga and said, The eighth child who is going to end your reign of terror has been born and will fulfill his prophecy. The child Krishna was raised by Yashoda and went to kill the Kans, symbolizing the victory of good over evil. And so every year we celebrate the birth of Krishna, also known as Janmashtami, across India.